This AI actually studies your brand and builds you a faceless YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel business, completely on autopilot. And I don't mean it just slaps together some generic videos. MagicFlixAI 2.0 has something called an AI channel brain. It learns your product, your style, your niche, then starts building content that actually stands out. We're talking POV simulations, history realism, Ghibli-style visuals, ASMR, trivia channels, you name it. Pick a theme or build your own from scratch. The drag and drop timeline editor lets you fine-tune every scene, subtitle, and voiceover. Or flip on auto mode and let it create, schedule, and publish hundreds of videos without you touching a thing. It also auto-ranks your channel using untapped keywords, viral hashtags, and optimized thumbnails. Then it activates up to 4 monetization systems: affiliate offers, sponsorships, local business clients, leads, without needing massive view counts. This is a done-for-you channel business. Hit the link below and get started today.